Have you ever pulled into your backyard and thought, this is a missed opportunity? What if your outdoor space could become the ultimate gathering spot, vibrant, fun, and perfect for every season? From casual cookouts to starlit movie nights or weekend brunches, your backyard has untapped entertaining potential. In this video, we're going to uncover 10 creative and engaging ways to transform your outdoor space into a hub of enjoyment, community, and effortless hosting. You'll discover ideas that fit small patios, sprawling lawns, or cozy balconies, each designed to elevate your time with loved ones.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What kind of outdoor dining setup encourages social meals and memorable evenings? An outdoor dining space sets the stage for sharing good food and conversation. Center your setup on a sturdy, weatherproof dining table, teak, metal, or stone, for long-lasting appeal. Surround it with stackable chairs and a neutral palette so seating remains flexible. Create an alfresco buffet or bar station nearby. Using a sturdy console or DIY cart stocked with glasses and condiments keeps serving fuss-free. Illuminate with overhead string lights or a hanging lantern above the table for ambiance. Seasonal table settings, woven placemats, linen napkins, and vibrant centerpieces can shift as easily as seasonal produce. Complete the space with outdoor-friendly dishware and flatware designed to withstand heat and unexpected tumbles. When the feel is casual yet sophisticated, every dinner under the sky becomes a beautiful occasion. Tell us your favorite al fresco dish or seasonal table trick in the comments. How can you create a cozy outdoor living area that feels like an extension of your home? Creating a comfortable outdoor living area means blending weatherproof furniture with thoughtful design. Begin with a sturdy sectional or sofa in weather-resistant wicker or aluminum, layered with plush, sun-repellent seat cushions in neutral tones. Add accent chairs or a hammock to invite movement and relaxation. Place a fire pit or low coffee table at the center. It becomes both a gathering spot and a convenient surface for drinks and snacks. Include outdoor area rugs to anchor the seating zone and mimic indoor coziness. Add layered LED string lights or solar lanterns overhead to establish a soft evening glow. Incorporating throw pillows, blankets, and woven baskets for storage further boosts warmth and usability. When done well, your outdoor lounge becomes a seamless extension of your indoor living, offering comfort that invites lingering conversations under the sky. Like this video if creating inviting outdoor lounges is your jam. What are engagement-friendly backyard game zones you can set up? Games breathe life into any outdoor gathering. Dedicate a corner of your yard for fun and activity. Set up a cornhole station with boards decorated in your favorite colors. Include a bocce ball court marked by gravel or an open lawn strip for a more refined play vibe. A ring toss or giant Jenga made from natural wood adds tactile charm and multiplayer fun. Provide simple scoreboards on chalkboard stakes or clipboards for friendly competition. Keep games organized in a wooden crate or weatherproof bin, so everything stays neat. Bring blankets for impromptu seating and small side tables to hold drinks between plays. These structured yet casual play zones encourage playful interaction, perfect for friends, family, or neighborhood gatherings. How can you create a backyard movie night experience that feels cinematic? Outdoor movie nights are magical when done right. Begin with a portable projector and screen. You can opt for a roll-down screen or even drape a white sheet between trees. Arrange seating on plush blankets with oversized floor cushions, or use Adirondack chairs with soft throw pillows. Set up side tables or crates for snacks and drinks. Think popcorn in mason jars, movie candy packets, and insulated tumblers. Add solar-powered pathway lights to guide guests to the viewing spot safely. Acoustic daylight-balanced speakers will elevate sound without cables snaking across the lawn. Make sure to include bug-repellent candles or tiki torches for comfort. With the right lighting, sound, and seating, your backyard can host an experience as cozy as any indoor theater, brought under the night sky. Watch the playlist in the description for full gadget recommendations and styling ideas. How do you design a shaded retreat for protection and comfort? Shade transforms comfort during sunny afternoons. A pergola with retractable canopy or sheer tulle offers flexible coverage and dappled light. A large cantilever umbrella can be moved as needed and looks elegant overhead. For a rustic touch, string bamboo or reed fencing overhead, as both sun shield and design element. Pair seating underneath with outdoor curtains on roll-down rods for wind or light control. Add a ceiling fan or portable misting system to cool the zone in summer heat. This shaded nook becomes a daytime haven, perfect for reading, lounging, or savoring a cold drink without UV exposure. What DIY backyard bar or beverage station ideas make hosting easier? A beverage station invites mingling and ease. Use a bar cart or upcycled wooden cabinet to hold a drink dispenser, ice bucket, glassware, and garnishes. For cocktails, include an array of citrus, herbs, sodas, mixers, and tiki-style cups. Set up a chalkboard sign listing your house special, like a peach sangria or mint mojitos. For non-alcoholic options, offer infused waters in glass containers and fun straws. Make cleanup easy with a container for used bottles or a strategy for compost scraps. Add a small cooler nearby to store extras. This setup frees you from scrambling in the kitchen, giving you time to join your guests. It becomes both a functional station and an interactive centerpiece for your backyard. How can you host cozy fire-filled gatherings safely in your yard? A fire feature offers comfort and gathering at night. A stone-encased fire pit or portable propane fire pit on gravel seating provides warmth and atmosphere. Surround it with Adirondack chairs or cushioned benches. Keep firewood in a wicker basket or matching storage bin close by. Use a folding side table to keep s'mores supplies or snacks handy. For evening glow and safety, place solar spotlights on the perimeter. Include a compact tool set, poker, brush, log tongs, nearby. If you prefer electric, a fire table-style heater is cozy yet sleek. Adding blankets or throws encourages lingering truth and makes a backyard fire pit night feel like a cherished tradition. How do you maintain versatility to host any time, in any season? Your backyard entertainment space should flow across all seasons. Store cushions, pillows, and decor in weatherproof bins during rain or winter. Opt for modular seating that can move to catch sun in cool weather, or shade during heat. Use replaceable, weather-ready rugs so you can swap designs by season. Equip storage to protect your projector, blankets, games, and more. Rotate plant types, annuals in summer, evergreens in cooler months, for year-round greenery. When the day turns cold, have covered patio heaters or propane fire pits ready. Keeping modular pieces, layered lighting, and seasonal accents means your backyard transforms with intention. Always open to entertaining, anytime, any weather. Your backyard doesn't have to be just grass and barbecues. It can be a full-on entertainment haven that shifts effortlessly with your mood, your guests, even the season. By combining lounge seating, dining areas, cinematic setups, games, plants, lighting, bars, shade, fire pits, and smart design, you can turn your outdoor space into a place people love to gather, return to, and remember. Let these ideas spark your creativity. Then start small. Build one zone at a time, layering joy and comfort. Soon you'll discover your backyard is more than an extension. It's your favorite room under the sky.